Hello, this is David Schwab, and welcome to the Schwab Report. Today, my guest is Dr. Richard Porcelli. Dr. Porcelli is a general and cosmetic dentist. Dr. Porcelli is a graduate of NYU College of Dentistry, and he practiced dentistry in New York City before moving to South Carolina. Dr. Porcelli currently has offices in Bluffton and Beaufort. Dr. Porcelli, what are veneers, and can you explain, please, why you're so excited about how they can improve a person's appearance?
Porcelain veneers have been around for a while, and what's so wonderful about them is, as we've kind of grown in dentistry and things have evolved with materials and technique, it's amazing to see the restorative quality of some of the materials that we're using today that can really bring back that full lifelike glow and natural appearance. And there's nothing that does it more perfect than a natural veneer that's created by an artistic person. The whole porcelain veneer process is really a combination of two people. It's the dentist, myself, who is preparing the case and getting everything organized to create that harmony and that beautiful aesthetic, with the combination of working with a cosmetically approved technician that will help to recreate exactly what we're looking for to put the harmony back into that particular patient's mouth. And it's amazing, but each patient is so individually different that when we do these cases, they're not cookie cutter cases. Each case is well designed specifically to the mouth of that patient. So the level of technical implications that are involved with creating a perfect porcelain veneered smile, there's a lot that goes into that. It's true art, and it's amazing to see the final product. Sometimes you feel like you wish you could sign your autograph on the back of them, because they really are a beautiful piece. And patients always walk away sometimes with tears in their eyes, just seeing that glow has really come out, and it's heartfelt. It's amazing.
It's so interesting to hear you talk with such passion about porcelain veneers. So if a patient comes into your office and they could benefit from porcelain veneers, about how many appointments would it take before they're all done and they have that beautiful smile?
For the most part, porcelain veneers as a procedure can range. It could be a 2-visit procedure, where on the first visit you are having your teeth lightly prepared. It's one of the things about porcelain veneers today is that there's less preparation for the most part with a lot of these veneers, because they're very, very thin. We try to keep a lot of the natural dentition still there, so we don't really do as much of a deep prep anymore. The procedure involves either a 1-day visit where you get them prepped, and then you come back on the next visit where you'll have them placed and form-fitted to the mouth. After that, it's usually just adjustment appointments, and that could vary, but for the most part, it's 2 main procedural days. There are some cases where a patient wants to go ahead and really see what they're getting involved with potentially with veneers, and what we do with them is we do a procedure which involves a temporary splint, which is we call it test drive your smile, where patients can actually we can take impressions of their mouth on one visit. We build the full aesthetic of their teeth from a model, and then we splint it to place it back on the mouth with material so that they can actually see what their smile looks like and how wonderful that transformation is going to be before they even commit to treatment. That's been really a game changer for us, because it really lets patients see what we can do for them.
Let me pick up on something you just said. You used the phrase, test drive your smile. I don't think we've ever heard that phrase before. I think most people, when they come into a dental office, they think that they hope they're going to like the result, but in your case, you're saying you can actually give them a preview of the final restoration?
It's absolutely wonderful, and I think that the most important thing that I've learned in my career so far with dentistry is that, and this goes into this topic, is that we provide all of our patients with every possible option, from something that's going to be the most conservative to something that is more involved with getting a little bit more broad of a procedure. But I think that with the new addition of Test Drive Your Smile in the office, it allows someone to make that more definitive decision based off of what they see is involved. They can make a decision that that's the right procedure for them, and it's really wonderful to be able to offer that. But options for patients is really the number one key for the way that we have been successful with the practice and getting a lot of patient response with the case approvals.
I would like to thank Dr. Porcelli for joining me today. Dr. Porcelli is accepting new patients. He may be contacted in Bluffton through his website, blufftoncenterfordentistry.com. In Beaufort, the website is BeaufortFamilyDentistry.com. This is David Schwab. Thanks for watching.